Congratulations IMGs, Intealth is finally live. I know you have mixed feelings about it. Some people are excited, some are not, but I got many questions on how to use this platform, so I want to record this quick video to show you how to create your account if you already have an account with the ECFMG. To do that, go to the Intealth website. You will see the screen. Click on MyIntealth applicant portal. You'll see the screen, click on access MyIntealth. If you already have an account, you can log in. If you have an account with ECFMG but don't have an account with MyIntealth, click on this one, don't have MyIntealth account. Click the email you have your ECFMG account with and click send verification code and click verify code. It will tell you email address verified. Click continue. You need to set up your password. It will ask you to agree to the terms and conditions. Click accept the privacy notice. Click accept and click next. And it will welcome you to the MyIntealth applicant portal. So the goal of this is to create one-stop shop where you can do everything in one place instead of the Oasis. I think this is a great move. There will be probably some bugs in the beginning, as you can see when logging through this, but I think this is a great move and this is the right way to move forward with instead of having multiple places for each of the different services IMGs need. And you can see the different services that they offer by clicking on services drop-down list here. You see ECFMG certification, Epic, J1 sponsorship, the ERA support services, CVS. ERA support service is very important for the match people. You can get your ERAS token from here and you can upload your documents from here instead of through the Oasis. And by the way, if you're studying for step 1 or step 2, make sure to check out the high yield notes we have fully free for you, and you can download them by clicking on the link I'll leave in the description of this video. And if you're applying to the match, don't miss out the IMG list of residency programs and the free match resources we have for you. And I'll also leave the link for these in the description of this video. I hope this video helps you navigate the new Intealth initiative and platform. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your colleagues who are also applying to residency in the US or starting their US residency journey. Before you leave, make sure to check out my ERAS tutorial on how to fill the ERAS application. I wish you best of luck on your journey and to a successful residency match. Peace.